We're gonna try this little place. Oh, look at
There
that.
it is. Look at that.
Look at that, guys. Guys, I'm at the old rodeo grounds underneath the bleachers here, and I was just looking for, maybe you might find a ring or something like that. I wasn't expecting anything old, but this ring up pretty good. Yep. When I flipped it over, that's a Merc time. Unfreaking believable. This place may be a hot place to hunt. That's awesome. All right, silver on the board for today. All right, we just got that Merc time in. Yeah, check that out, guys. Maybe just a little kid's ring, but heck, ring number one for the day. That is awesome. Let's find a lot more. Sweet. Right over there, Merc time. Right over there, ring. Right here, yeah, we got a wheat. 51. This is gonna be fire today, guys. Fire. Yep, this place is gonna be on fire. Second Merc time. Just like that. Wow. Come on, focus. I'll have to wash it off to get some dates. That is awesome. Wow. On fire today. Well, it's not old, but it's still a pretty cool find. Find with a metal detector. Little tape measure. Pretty sweet. Well, our next find, a ring up 83. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely decorative. Definitely dirty. Looks like it was a pendant or an earring. I think it's just gonna be bling. That is pretty sweet though. Awesome. We just nailed us another wheat scent, guys. Let's see if we can get a date off of that one. Maybe. A little bit more. Can't quite tell. Looks like 45. Guys, what an incredible place. Check out what just came out of the ground, guys. I think Ringmaster Ray just did it again. Yep, we got us a ring. It's pretty dirty. I don't know if it's gonna be copper or what. Yeah, I think it's just gonna be a copper one. Bling ring, but still another ring. Awesome. Check out this find, guys. Isn't that funny? This little bling of, yeah, scream. Interesting. At this beautiful park today, and I found quite a bit of silver rings, old coins out here too. It's old school. And just popped up a 1956, I think. Maybe a 1956 nickel. We'll see. Right there. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah. It's like 50D. Is that a 50D? That's gonna be crazy if it is. That's one of the key dates. Huh? Let me get in focus here. Yeah, it looks like a 1950D. I'll have to look better at the scope and maybe a 56, but can't quite tell. That would be awesome. All right, it's time for that game again. You can see it down there. Get out of here so you guys can see it. Right there. So is it wheat or no wheat? That is the question. Let's take a look. It's gonna be a wheat. Nice. Looks like a 56. Sweet. Check it out, guys. It has been a little bit. We got a buffalo right there. Buffalo nickel. That is freaking awesome. It's the first one I found over in this area. Not sure if we're gonna get a date. Right off the bat, but I bet we will in the scope. Looks like it's still got pretty good detail on it. Awesome. Buffalo nickel. Dug up from here. Check this out. What a pretty button. One-piece button there. Ring up really good. It's very decorative. It is a metal button. That's what's awesome. Sweet. All right, let's see what we got here. We got something round on the ground. If you guys can see it. I think it's about dime size. Not sure what it is. Could just be a punch out. Don't know. I'll take a closer look. It's got some weight to it, so it's probably lead is my best guess. It's lead. Huh, pretty neat. All right, guys. Decided after getting done with trade days and come out and metal detect at this field and look down. There's a coin on the ground already. Just got my equipment out of the truck. So let's take a look. It's gonna be wheat or no wheat. Let's see what we got. Come in a little bit. Not sure yet. Let's see what we got. Get some sunlight on it. Maybe too much. Zoom in. Come on, zoom in for me. It's being stubborn. Let's see if I can zoom in a little more. There we go. 24. Holy crap. 1924. That's an early one. Sweet. Came across another coin on the ground. It's dark black. Does it have a mint mark above it? That would explain why it would be black. And I think it does. I think we have a war nickel. I bet we do. Yep, that's exactly what we got, a 44. We got silver on the board, second coin in. We just had that early 1924. And now we got a silver nickel. That is amazing. Well, just dug up another Wheatie, 1954. It's hard to see the date, but I can see the very top of it. So we got 54 Wheatie. Nailed another one. Nice little hot spot. This is where I got that nickel and all the other Wheaties in that same place there. 44. All right, let's see what else comes out of this place. This is pretty awesome. All right, I see an edge of something. It's ringing up 85. It's ringing up really good. 84, 85. It's definitely in the silver range. I have no idea what it's going to be. Probably a piece of copper. And that's exactly what it's going to be. I was hoping for a ring, but a piece of copper. We got another high signal. 88, 89. Really nice high tone. Let's see what we get. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so it's in that. Right here. Another piece of copper. Hey, Hey, you got something different here. Ring up as a 76. I think it's just going to be a Zinky, but it's not. We got a putt-putt golf. 1982. Vintage putt-putt right there. Nice. Look at that shiny right on the ground. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. Let's see what we got. A shiny earring. Looks like it's probably copper. Or gold plated or gold filled, one of the two. But pretty awesome. All right, time to play again. Wheat or not wheat? Not sure yet. Let's see. Wheat. Nice. Another wheatie out of here. Almost can get the date. That looks like a 30s, 36 or so. Not sure what you guys see. Zoom out a little bit, and then we'll come down. Yeah, 30 something. Nice. Got more wheats coming up. Didn't film the last one, but this one's a little more readable, I think. And it's gonna be like 41 or so. So there's gotta be silver here. Pulling up wheats like crazy now. Next one on wheat or not wheat. Wheat. There we go. They keep popping up all over the place here. There's gotta be some silver dimes here or something. 52. All right, next up we got a nickel. Right on the surface here. Let's see what kind we got. Jefferson. 56. Nice old nickel there. Sweet. All right, YouTube family, let's do a quick wrap up of this week's finds that we got. As you can see on the board there are some really cool stuff. Now, this does not include all the little cars and marbles and everything else. I didn't take time to get those out of the box, out of the back of my pickup yet, and all of the other change. I just grabbed the finds, and I still haven't had time to clean these up at all either. So they are as they are. So we'll start up here. We started out with a couple of rings this time. Both of them are kids' rings, or just junk rings anyway. One copper, probably the other one is copper just also, but both kids. We got this pretty weird looking pendant there from Scream. There is that earring there. It's just gonna be bling, but it did ring up really good. Got this little piece of an earring here. I still don't know what it is or what it's made out of. My best guess was it was copper and probably gold plated. That is the only thing I can think of on it. Cool button. Decorative button there. One piece button. And we got some nickels this time. We got a nice buffalo nickel there. I could not get a date off of this thing yet. It is pretty corroded. So pretty crusty. We got the 50, is that 58 or 56? Can't tell. 56 right there. And then we also got a war nickel. So we got silver on the board there for sure. Nice Denver mint. A little stack of wheat pennies that we had. Some of the oldest ones is that 1926, and we had a I believe it was a 31. Is that an 81 or a 31? It can't be. It's gonna be a 31. That's a Wheatie. All right, got confused there for a moment. And then we got a bunch of other Wheaties, 40s, 50s. And then we ended up with these beauties here. 3 Merc dimes from that Rodeo grounds. That was pretty awesome there. Come up with those, come up with some more silver. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna get out there and find some more treasure. Every time it seems like I go out, I get lucky, but that's just by the hand of God. All right, guys, love you all. Take care.